Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope everybody's doing well. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 21,338. We're up about 5% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 405.98 billion. 24-hour volume, 46.53 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and grab one of the incredible Visa cards, cash hacking crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So there's quite a few people that are saying the bottom is in for BTC. As of right now, I still think we could have one more leg down quite easily in between 17 to 19K. And we've just put it in a regular ABC correction where the B wave extends and then we have the flat C wave. And if we come down and we break this low here, then we could be looking at that wave 5. However, as I have been noticing with ADA, it's not quite as accurate with BTC, but maybe we'll go through a similar consolidation. I don't think it would take nearly as long because I don't think the dump was nearly as big here, where we came down and then we consolidated before starting to break down here. So once again, we seen some Swiss sell-off and we're starting to consolidate. But if we do come down and we break this B wave low, I would expect you to come down to that 17 to 19K price target. I don't know if you guys can hear those sirens. Hopefully the person is okay who they're going to go try help. Emergency. So you can also watch out for a potential, it's pretty far away from forming here, but either like a symmetrical triangle or a descending triangle like we had up here. We had a descending triangle. So if we come down and we find support and we bounce and we stay range bound, just a little something like this, we create a descending triangle. It is a bearish continuation pattern. And symmetrical triangles are usually continuation patterns as well. If you see us come down here, let me fix this line a little bit. If you see us come down, we find support, we hit resistance, then we may look to put in an ABCDE corrective triangle before seeing that continuation down to 17 to 19K. But if we do hold this support, if we close the week above the 200-week moving average at 22K, that would be a massive sign of strength in my opinion. But if we look at the Corona dump, we saw quite a massive wick down. If I take a measurement here from the candle close to the wick, yeah, about 30%. So currently from the 200-week moving average, we've only come down about 13%. Now, past history doesn't guarantee future results here, but if we come down to 17K, whether it's this week or next week, that would be probably about a 30% wick. Let me see here from 22K. It's 17K. Yeah, only about 20% actually if we come down to that 17K price target. So very, very possible in my opinion. And that would put in that wave 5. I mean, potentially this could be your wave 5 right here. We did make a lower low, but it's a bit shallow in my opinion. And right now it does look like we're going through a corrective structure. So if we lose that B wave low, then I would expect you to come down in between the 17 to 19K. And certain coins like ADA, I think, have one more wave down. They haven't broke the previous low. But of course, anything can happen. So just take my analysis with a grain of salt here. That bullish divergence did play out. We came all the way up to overbought. So we'll quickly pop over to the daily. As I've been mentioning on the RSI, we're more oversold than we were in previous bear markets. So I do think the bottom is near, whether it's at 20K, 22K, 17K. There are a few people that think we may come down to, 11 to 13K, which is your next strong level of support. The only way that I see that happening is if we break below the 200-week moving average, we have a weekly close below 22K, and we start to backtest it as resistance, and then we break down. That's when you could start coming down to those lower price targets. I don't think it's a likely scenario, but anything can happen in the crypto space. We put in a beautiful ABC, a regular ABC correction. And in my opinion, we're going through that massive phase of accumulation and waiting for that third demand wave followed by and waiting for that third demand wave followed by a beautiful alt season, as we've seen 3 waves of demand in each and every bull market. Wave 1, accumulation. Wave 2, accumulation. Wave 3, and then you have your demand wave 1. Sorry, it's hard to see here. Wave 1, accumulation. Wave 2, accumulation. Your largest wave 3. And once again, I believe this was your demand wave 1, phase of accumulation. We've gone through our second demand wave, massive phase of accumulation, looking for that third demand wave to bring us above 100K Bitcoin. and see a massive alt season as well. In my opinion, not financial advice, because I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So that's basically it for this update. If we come down and we lose this B wave low, do expect 17 to 19K. And then if we come down and either find support at the B wave low at about 20K, or if we find support on this ascending trend line, we may be looking to put in either a descending or symmetrical triangle, and we may look at an ABCDE corrective triangle. If we break these highs and we come up and we break about 24K and we head up to about 26 to 27,000, then the bottom may be in for BTC, or this was a massive wave 1, wave 2, and we're looking at a much larger wave structure here. But we'll have to see what happens over the next coming days. I believe it's Thursday already. Let me check the day of the week. Sometimes you lose the days of the week when you have financial freedom. So corny. Oh my God. Maybe I should edit that out of the video. Embarrassing. Anyways, guys, that's it for BTC. Big shout out to the Discord, over 1,900 members. I do post trade signals here. A lot of the members like to post their profits from the signals at the $10 membership. And we have buy and take profit zones if you want to start dollar cost averaging into altcoin positions, and over 1,900 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up to the Patreon if you want to trade with me. Sign up to Bybit, $4,100 in bonuses, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.